When I got my Street Bob, I knew exactly what I wanted. That bagger look without losing what makes it a Softail. The Vikingbags Maverick Fairing did exactly that. The fit is right, the proportions are intentional, and it genuinely transformed the bike from a strip bobber to a more aggressive bagger style look. Let's take a closer look. It's made out of fiberglass material and it comes in this gloss black finish. The fairing sits like it belongs there, not like an aftermarket add-on. And if you're into custom paint, it's built to support that without needing any extra prep work. All the hardware needed for installation came with the product, including the turn signal and headlight extensions. With zero wire splicing or cutting, it was a real plug and play, just like it should be. I really put it to the test during my first solo day trip with over 100 miles of open road. Less wind in my chest means less fatigue, meaning the ride is just way more enjoyable. With this bike being my daily ride, I've ridden through rain, summer heat, windy days, back roads and highways at all kinds of speeds. And the fairing still hasn't disappointed. Honestly, it's changed the way I look at the bike itself. There's something about walking up to it now that makes me look forward to throwing a leg over it. And I'm not the only one who's noticed. I've gotten countless compliments on the bike's look since adding the fairing. People stopping me to ask about it, telling me it changes the whole vibe of the Street Bob. Months in, I still feel good about this being one of my first upgrades on the motorcycle. There's a difference between a mod that looks good on install day and one that still feels worth it down the line. And this is one that's actually held up on both counts. It's still the kind of product that if I were starting over, I'd put it right at the top of the list. At the end of the day, the Street Bob is the perfect blank canvas, and the Vikingbags Fairing is the perfect product to make it go from stock to making it yours. Vikingbags makes products for many different makes and models, so check them out.